Your Excellency, Prime Minister Naareendiraa Moodii, Your Excellency Mahmouda Al Yusuf, Chairperson of African Union, my dear sister, Madam Salma, Deputy Chairperson of African Union, my dear brother, Gatet, UN ECA Head, distinguished delegation from India, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is a great honor to welcome you to Addis Ababa, a city that honors our heritage and looks to the future. Here, history is never distant. It reminds us that progress is not inherited. It is built through purpose, persistence, and partnership. Your visit, Mr. Prime Minister, is beyond a diplomatic occasion. It is a meeting of two nations that understand how careful planning and bold ideas can fuel transformation. Mr. Prime Minister, Ethiopia and India stand at the threshold of great opportunities. Our history is long, our bonds are deep, but the most important chapter of our journey lies ahead. Like India, we believe in building our strengths at home. Like India, we believe in engaging the world while safeguarding our independence. Mr. Prime Minister, your vision of self-reliant India, anchored in practical governance and broad strategic partnership, speaks directly to us. It resonates with our philosophy of Madamar, the belief that when we act together, we multiply our strengths. Our nations draw wisdom from ancient civilizations, yet strive to build modern, capable states for the next generation. This shared outlook opens wide opportunities. Mr. Prime Minister, factories can create dignified jobs, digital platforms can reach communities across our countries, clean energy can power our industries and transform our farms. Entrepreneurs from Addis Ababa to Bangalore can build global competitive companies, and our young people are ready to innovate, to lead, and to shape the future. Ethiopia and India share more than interests. We share values, a commitment to sovereignty, to human dignity, and development that lifts all people. Our partnership is strategic, long-term, and rooted in mutual respect. When Ethiopia and India advance with shared ambition, we show the world the true potential of the Global South. Progress grounded in dignity, development anchored in sovereignty, and nations shaping their own future with purpose, vision, and lasting impact. Mr. Prime Minister, your presence here strengthens that vision. On behalf of the people and government of Ethiopia, I thank you for your partnership and your friendship. May the relationship between Ethiopia and India inspire a new era of leadership, one defined by humility, courage, and the conviction that nations rise best when they rise together. I thank you.
ዛሬ መሰየ ነገ መሰየ ኢትዮጵያ